Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata. The Buddha told Ananda, "If these sentient beings hear the name of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata, and sincerely accept and uphold it without any doubts, they cannot possibly fall into the evil destinies." Ananda, this is the extremely profound practice of all Buddhas, which is difficult to believe and to understand. You should know that your ability to accept this comes from the awesome power of the Tathagata. Ananda, all hearers, solitarily enlightened ones, and the bodhisattvas who have not yet ascended to the grounds, are incapable of believing and understanding this Dharma as it really is. Only the bodhisattvas who are destined in one life to attain Buddhahood are capable of understanding. Ananda, it is difficult to obtain a human body. It is also difficult to have faith in and to revere the Triple Jewel. It is even more difficult to be able to hear the name of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata. Ananda, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata possesses boundless bodhisattva practices, limitless skillful expedients, and immeasurably vast great vows. If I were to speak extensively of those for an eon or more, the eon would soon end. But that Buddha's practices, vows, and skillful expedients have no end. At that time, within the assembly, a bodhisattva Mahasattva named One Who Rescues and Liberates arose from his seat, bared his right shoulder, knelt with his right knee on the ground, leaned forward with his palms joined together, and said to the Buddha, "Greatly virtuous, world-honored one, during the Dharma image age, there will be living beings afflicted with various diseases, emaciated from chronic illnesses, unable to eat or drink, their throats parched and their lips dry. Such a being sees darkness gathering all around him as the signs of death appear. While lying in bed, surrounded by his weeping parents, relatives, and friends, he sees the messengers of Yama leading his spirit before that king of justice. Every sentient being has spirits that stay with him throughout his life. They record his every deed, both good and evil, to present to Yama, the king of justice. At that time, King Yama interrogates this person in order to tally his karma and mete out judgment according to his good and evil deeds.